My name is Bonnie Riley. I am Facilities Manager here at First Rate Place in Arlington, Texas. First Rate Place hired DFW Urethane in 2014 and 2015 to put new roofs on two of our existing buildings. The most outstanding part of working with DFW Urethane for me was the customer service. If I had a question, I called and immediately got somebody to speak to and to answer my questions. If necessary, they came out immediately to check whatever issue I was concerned with, and were very, very helpful, very thorough, and I felt extremely professional.